Spider! Spider! You gotta get yourself down here quick! There's this guy following me, and he's been following me all day, and for all I know, he could be upstairs, and... Well, just please... Okay, thanks. Thanks so much.
Hello? Information? Do you have the number for Miss Nancy Ray? Ray. Nancy Ray. Oh, no? Alright, it's alright.
Is that what I think it is? I think it's formaldehyde. You're right.
What?
You cook meth with it, or you trace it to Crank that's been going around. Why didn't you get him and leave me alone? I wanted something cold. Now I've got it. If I see you there, you're going with him.
I'll be holding up a sign with your name on it.
Except we posted a couple guys over there for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I don't think you try going back there anytime soon.
What was that all about?
Disturbance call.
What about?
Some idiot next door banging around and yelling and whatnot.
Did you get the address?
Yeah, 1800 Fink Street.
Now, how's he gonna tell us nothing with no teeth?
That's the last one I need. You want to know stuff? Why don't you ask him? Here, go crazy.
Ain't got your gun. Ain't got your badge. Who are you exactly?
Jack. Jack Hammer.
Funny. What's your name, boy?
I told you. Jack Hammer.
I'm telling you for the last time! What is your name?
Wait. It's Lehman. Jack Lehman.
Attention, Darnell Smith. This is the police. You are completely surrounded. Come out with your hands behind your head.
Don't move! We're going upstairs! See how much they like it. All right, get up. Come on. Now don't try nothing.
Freeze! You're under arrest. Take them.